What if every law student in India could practice cross-examination against a senior advocate, anytime, anywhere, for free? What if a self-represented litigant could stress test their argument before walking into court and know exactly where it breaks down? That's Courtroom Prep Coach, an AI-powered courtroom simulation that puts you through a real adversarial session, cross-examined, judged, coached, and scored, all powered by Google ADK. This purpose is uniquely suited for a multi-agent solution, and here's why. Cross-examination, judging, coaching, and reporting are fundamentally different cognitive tasks. A single LLM trying to do all four would fail. It can't simultaneously be aggressive opposing counsel and a neutral judge and a supportive coach. Agents solve this. Each agent has a distinct persona, distinct instructions, and distinct tools. They don't interfere with each other. The orchestrator coordinates them in sequence, just like a real courtroom. Here's the full system. At the top, a React front end where the user submits their legal argument. Every request passes through a security layer first. Input guard blocks prompt injection. PII redactor strips sensitive data. Output filter screens agent responses. The Fast API backend uses Google ADK's Get Fast APM app to mount the courtroom orchestrator. The orchestrator routes between four subagents: adversary, judge, coach, and reporter. 3 MCP servers power external data access. The Case Law MCP fetches Indian Supreme Court precedents. Session Memory MCP persists scores across sessions, and Document MCP handles user brief uploads. The entire system was built on Google Anti-Gravity IDE using agent skills, structured skill.md files that taught the coding agent domain-specific rules before writing any code. Let me show you this working live. I'll submit a real legal argument. Watch the adversary agent respond, identifying the weakest premise, asking exactly one sharp cross-examination question. It even pulled this from the Case Law MCP server. Now I respond. Watch what happens next. The orchestrator immediately transfers to the judge agent. Then immediately the coach agent fires. Strength, weakness, improvement tip, relevant provision. All on separate lines, all actionable. After 3 complete rounds, the reporter agent generates the final scorecard. Overall score, grade, strengths, areas to improve, and recommended reading. All grounded in Indian law. This was built in 1 week on Google Anti-Gravity IDE. Backend, Python, Google ADK, Fast API. Frontend, React with Vite. MCP servers using Fast MCP with streamable HTTP transport. Models: Gemini 2.5 Flash for subagents, Gemini 2.0 Flash for the orchestrator. Courtroom Prep Coach gives every law student and self-represented litigant unlimited adversarial practice at 0 cost, grounded in real Indian jurisprudence. This is what good agent design looks like. The architecture serves the